Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to this channel, and my name is Maggie and I'm so excited. It is 2019. The year has flown by. It always does. I just celebrated my 26th birthday, which, let me tell you, getting past the 25 stage is like, whoa, I'm 26. But honestly, nothing has really changed besides the number. But nevertheless, happy birthday to me and happy new year to you guys. So today what I want to do is bring you what I eat in a day. I will continue this for the next month or two, or just depends until when I run out of recipes. But I hope to inspire you guys to eat more conscious, more healthy, and maybe you guys will take away a new recipe from one of these videos. So let's get going and let's see what I ate today.
That looked pretty.
Woo! We did it, guys! We just completed our first video of 2019. I am super excited that that went according to plan. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will continue to post what I eat Wednesday, every single Wednesday of this month, and hopefully going forward, as long as you guys enjoy it. I hope you get inspired, because you guys definitely inspire me to continue and post these videos, even if it's only one or two of you guys that are watching from beginning to end. But nevertheless, I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any suggestions as to what we should post next, make sure you comment it down below. I'm off on a walk with our dogs, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!